Hi, so this is my last text-based game, and I'm gonna show you how to play the game and then explain on my code. So this is my game, and then you can choose to play game. Please enter name, and the first room, the current room is in the living room. So you're now in the living room, and there's a tea table with a note covered with dust and an old stinky sofa. So we just pick up the note. Note is removed. So we can check in our inventory. And there it is, the note. So we can try to use the note with, okay, it doesn't work because you can't use the note. It can only be used by reading it. So read note. So whoever who reads this, I'm the owner and I'm writing this as I know what is happening to me in this house. And yeah, so he's finding a disc. He lost it. So okay, I know that this is under the sofa, so I'm gonna move the sofa. And there's a disc, so we can pick up the disc now. Okay, and check in the inventory again. You can see that there's a note and there's a disc, so you can examine it. Yep, so it's a DVD. You need to play to see what is inside. Okay, so we can go to the kitchen from here, so let's go to kitchen. Okay, so there is a dining table and there's a glass of water, so we can pick up the water. That water. Okay, drink water. Okay, just drink the glass of water. The water there was long enough on the table. Hope you won't feel sick after that. Okay. Okay. So go upstairs. We came upstairs and it's very dark up here. Can choose to go to corridor or downstairs. Go corridor. There's 4 exits. Downstairs, storeroom, movie room, or bedroom. And in the storeroom there'll be a ghost, and if you don't have a Ming vase in your inventory, you're gonna just game over. So I'll just try that. Storeroom. Oh, go storeroom. Oh, before you went into the storeroom, you met a playful ghost on your way. It wants to play a game. So do you want to play or run away? You try to run. So the ghost's favorite game is hangman. So guess the word. Yeah. Okay, mission failed. You lost because there's a ghost inside of the storeroom and you didn't have a Ming vase. So we will try again. Play game. Okay, I'll go really quick this time to show you the random enemy that we'll meet on the road, like going to the other rooms and how to get out of the house and um level up. So go to the living room. This is the random number that I created, and if it's 1 then we will meet the ghost, and the second number it's 1 or 2, either you will meet the angry ghost or you meet the playful ghost. If it's an angry ghost, then you will have to fight, attack it, or run away. And if you're lucky enough, you get to run away. If you're not lucky, you have to fight against the ghost. And if it's number 2, then it's a playful ghost and you have to play puzzles with him. And also there's again another random number. If it's 1, then you play the first puzzle, and if it's 2, you play the second puzzle. So yeah, go upstairs. Go corridor. Okay, now 1 we meet the ghost, and then another 1 we meet a playful ghost. So we want to play a game, can try to run. Again, you didn't manage, so you have to guess the word. Okay, so we are now in the corridor. We go into the movie room. Okay, so there's a DVD player, and from the first time that I play, I pick up that disc, and if you have that disc, you can use it with the DVD player. And I had shown it in my previous video, so I'm not gonna show you this time. And I'm gonna just pick up the key. Okay, and go corridor, and go to bedroom. Again, you meet the playful ghost. You try to run again. Oh, you managed to run away from the ghost. So, yep, the door is locked. You need a key to open the door. Hint, I can see that there is a key in your inventory. So here, we can use the key with the door. Now the door is unlocked. So you're now in the bedroom, and there's a Ming vase standing beside the bed. So you can pick up the Ming vase, and we need it to get the master key when we go to the storeroom. Okay, now check out inventory. Okay, so there's a Ming vase in the inventory. So now we can go to the corridor. Oh, now you met the angry ghost and it wanted to fight. So you can choose either to fight or run. We'll try to run and see. You didn't manage to run away, so choose to attack or run. So attack. Missed. Attack. Okay, the ghost got attacked. We'll just try to attack until it dies. Okay, so ghost life is 0, so you won, and then you can proceed to the corridor. So we are going now to the storeroom to kill the ghost. Okay, you can use the Ming vase with the ghost. Okay, so the ghost was sucked into the vase, and there's a shiny master key. So pick up the master key. We check what is in our inventory first. Okay, there's nothing, so pick up the key. Master key. Okay. Now we can see that the master key is in our inventory. We can now go corridor. Go downstairs. Go to the living room and use the master key with the main door. Now mission accomplished. Well done. You got out of the haunted house. Your experience is 1. So you got level up and then level completed. To continue to ever another level, yes or no? Yes. Again, you continue to play the game again, or maybe we can improve on that like other time. So yep, so that's basically the game. And now I am gonna show you the saving part. Now play the game, enter in the game, and I'll pick up just whatever I see and move whatever that I can, and then save it, and just to show you that the stuff are saved like to the current situation. Pick up note, move sofa, pick up this, check if it's in the inventory. Okay, now go to kitchen, pick up the water, go upstairs, go corridor, go movie room. Okay, met the playful ghost, play, guess the word again. Okay, now we are in the movie room, so show you use this. No, actually I should check the inventory first. Okay, so there's a note, disk and water, so I'm gonna use my disk now with the DVD player, and it shows you that the owner recorded the video and what he's trying to tell you. So check the inventory. Now the disk is gone, so I'm gonna pick up the key now. Okay, so let's say I want to go for lunch or something, and then I want to save it and come back and play it afterwards. So just save it here, game save at current stage, and then I go to the main menu. Okay, so now you'll see that we have a restart game, or we can choose to exit or resume. If we choose resume, then we can go back to the current stage where we are, which is in the movie room, and the stuff in our inventory will be still there. And if I go corridor, you met the playful ghost again. Run. I managed to run away. Okay, so I go downstairs. Again, I met the playful ghost. Okay, I have to guess the number. This is the second game, second puzzle. The first one is a hangman, and the second one is a guess the number. So um, it's random. So I'm gonna just guess random number. Okay, you didn't guess it right. So okay, I'm now downstairs. Go to living room. And I will try to move the sofa again, which I moved already. It just shows me that I can't move the sofa. See, so sofa is not movable. So that's all for my save, and I'm gonna show you about my code now. So after the previous CA, I added ghost class to, and it includes the ghost name, description, life, and type, and then in the ghost store it contains all the ghosts. Currently I have only two ghosts, which is playful ghost and angry ghost, and after that I added some code to parse input, and it's here. So I added fight, which is the code for fighting the ghost if you met an angry ghost. Um, Give me a sec. Okay, so this is if if um it's one random number one or two. So if it's one, then the ghost get attacked. If it's two, then the ghost didn't get attacked. And the same goes to this num2. It's for the player. If it's one, then the player got attacked by the ghost, and if it's the other number like two or three, then the player won't get attacked. And for height, it's the same. If the random number is one, then you got caught by the ghost, and if it's other number than one, then you have a good height. And yeah, so, and this is the play function for the puzzles, that if they met a playful ghost, then this is the play function. Okay, and the random enemy the player will meet in the game, it's written here when the player is trying to go from room to room. And yep, so if they found the next room that they're going, then it goes, if it's 50% for them to meet the ghost, and then it's um 1, 2, or 3. What's the percentage for them to meet? um Give me a second, this is too much random number. um Num1 equals to, and it need the angry ghost. Okay, and num2. Okay, num2 is the percentage that you will meet the ghost or not, and num1, it's either you will meet the angry ghost or a playful ghost. Now I get it. Yeah, so it's lesser chance to meet the ghost, and when it meets the ghost, then it goes either it's one or two. If it's one, then you meet the playful ghost, and if it's two, then you meet the angry ghost. Yep, now I get it. And the rest of the code remains the same. And okay, so here, if you choose save, if you input save here, then it saves the room, save the current room, save the objects that are still remaining in the rooms, and save the player, the life, and the level, the experience, and the inventory of the player. So if we save it and we come back afterwards, it will just load here in the games function, and it's here. So if get saved equals true, get saved is uh, get saved is here. So if there is a file called save player in the folder, then it was saved, and and the and the player can choose resume when they decided to come back and play afterwards. Like now if I click it, I did save it just now, and now if I click it, there will be a resume here because I did save it just now. But I can also choose to restart the game and start all over again. And when I click save, and it will save again another version of it. So if there is get save equals true, then there will be one more option here to resume the game. But if there is no get save before, then it will have only three options without the resume. And yep, so if and here is all the load from the saved version, and when the game starts, it checks if the player chooses to resume or they choose to start a new game. And that's basically what I've done for this CA, and I hope you like it.